Hey guys!
What's up?
Every year since 2010, the Ultimate Spirits Challenge has convened in the suburbs of New York to judge the best of the best across all categories of liquor. And for the 11th consecutive year, the competition fielded more entries than ever before. Unlike other judgings, typically held over several days, this one is spread out over a full 2 months. During that time, an exhaustive sampling regimen winnows down thousands of liquids into just 237 finalists and 45 recipients of the highest honor, which is the chairman's trophy. When it comes to tequila specifically, only 4 bottles took home the top tier prize. It was awarded to one in each of the primary marks for 100% agave spirit: Blanco, Reposado, Anejo, Extra Anejo. Tequila Ocho secured the chairman's trophy for its unaged plata. The bottling notched an impressive 96 points out of a possible 100, higher than all other tequilas regardless of category. Judges were taken aback by the liquid's refined elements of slate, citrus, and pepper. It's hard to argue with their evaluation. Anyone who's had the good fortune to sample it is likely to comment on its crisp and clean body. It delivers alternating threads of tropical fruit and earthiness through each sip. This is owed to the fastidious craftsmanship of its maker, the third generation master Carlos Camarena, responsible for some of the most acclaimed brands in all of Jalisco. He's pretty much royalty in this part of Mexico. Avion netted the top prize for its extra anejo. As the name suggests, Reserva 44 matures for a full 44 months in oak barrels. The vast majority of that time is spent in traditional 53-gallon wooden vessels. But in the final month, the liquid is transferred to petite casks, which are rotated daily. It's a labor-intensive process, but one that punctuates the XA with alluring aromas of vanilla and coconut. On the palate, judges made note of milk chocolate and sweetgrass before asparagus and black pepper took hold in its protracted finish. Winners in the other two categories are only available in very selected countries, and so I won't dwell too long on them. By the way, here's the list of the finalists of the competition. According to the UBC founder and the judging director F. Paul Packel, this year's USC was the most international, with a dazzling array of quality distillates from as far away as Indonesia, India, and Iceland. With this, I will take a leave and I will be back with another video next week. Till then, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and thank you for watching.